Guys, here's a surprisingly fun gadget toy you can make for the kids. Sort of like a spinner toy, gadget toy. It's just a penny in a balloon. You put the penny in the balloon, you blow it up. Now the penny's in there. What you do is you start twirling it, and it starts spinning around on the inside. So you've got three things going. You can see it visually, and you can feel it as it goes around. But the really cool thing is you have the kids put it up to their ear, and they can hear it going around. Let me take off this microphone, get it close. The trick to getting it to spin. It makes a really cool sound. But it's also fun to see how fast you can make it go. And like I said, you can hold it at different angles. About 100 years ago, they used to have people that would travel around the country on motorcycles, and they'd build this big cylinder of wood, and they'd put the motorcycle inside, and they'd start going round and round in a circle. Cyclorama. So they'd be a motorcycle going around the side of the cylinder, and centrifugal force would keep them going around and around. It's a fun little simple gadget that it's a lot of the kids have never seen anything like this before. Fidget gadget, right? Take care. See you out there.